Greg, why are you taking these blank pieces of paper?
They're not blank! Don't you see anything on that poster?
Scanning. Unidentified vehicle discovered. Who is it?
It's Wenda! She disappeared last night!
Wenda?
You know Wenda! Our friend.
Wenda. Scanning database. Spunky residence. Alphabetical order. Wenda. White Sprunky.
Yeah, that's her!
Wenda. 50% deleted.
What? What do you mean she's deleted?
51% deleted. Stop that! It's out of my control. Somehow, she is fading from my memory.
No! No!
Wenda. Yes, I'm starting to remember her.
But not for long. Bye, fun bombs. Enjoy the recycle bin.
What the? No! Please! Error! Data drive being deleted!
Consider this a hard reset. That's what you call helping the enemy. Search as hard as you want. You'll never find her. And soon, you'll be all alone.
What is happening here? None of this makes any sense! Ray? Are you okay? Alright, that 50 bucks are yours. You've got good eyesight. Have you seen Wenda?
Wenda who?
Wenda, all white, cat ears. The three of us have known each other as long as I can remember. She's being deleted fast. I have to do something. And you're going to help me.
You're talking crazy.
Actually, he's not. Watch your step.
Get sent back.
Darnold! I can still reach you!
Feels like a dream, feels like magic. Now I believe I can have it. Ooh, ooh, Tamu. Ooh, ooh, Tamu. All of my wishes came true. Shop like a billionaire. Shop like a billionaire. Ooh, ooh, Tamu. Ooh, ooh, Tamu.
Download the Temu app and shop like a billionaire.
Hey TikTok, it's Alan Walker, and if you want to get this or this, search Alan Walker on TikTok and tap the banner right now.
Who are you and why are you doing this?
You see, Ray, Wenda is missing for a reason. And I can't have you find her.
Let's try!
For now. But it doesn't matter. There's no way he'll remember the plot. She'll be gone forever. From this planet and from everyone's memory.
Who wants to delete Wenda from her memory? She's like the best person here. Even Black likes her.
Gray? Why are you hiding in the trash?
Long story. I need to find Wenda and apparently also Funbot and Garnold.
I have no idea what you're talking about. Are those supposed to be names?
Yes, monkeys, just like us. Ugh, why is everyone looking at monkeys?
Gray, you're not making one lick of sense.
I like it. It's mine. The prices blow my mind. I feel so rich. I feel like a billionaire. I'm shopping like a billionaire. I'm shopping like a billionaire. Let's go. I'm shopping like a billionaire. I get it straight from the makers. I'm shopping like a billionaire.
Download the Temu app and shop like a billionaire.
First, those blank. posters, now this weird rambling. I think you need some professional help.
All I need is to get to the lab. I'm gonna get to the bottom of this.
Fine, I'll take you there. I don't think you should be on your own right now.
All right, come with me. We can fix all this.
Right. Sure, Mr. Fun Computer can help.
You killed the last monkey.
You are not faster than me. You are not smarter than me. And you are not stronger than me.
Thanks for the help. Mr. Fun Computer? Mr. Fun Computer, what's wrong with you?
The all-new Scout.
Computer, what's wrong with you? Funbot? Is live somewhere? What are you showing me? What is this place? Is this some kind of...
Deleted zone. Think of it like a trash bin. Like my new toy? It's a great way of getting around without even having to leave my desk.
I should have known it was you!
Yes, you should have.
You deleted her, and all the others!
Don't worry, they're not gone forever. They're just floating in the digital trash for all eternity.
How could you do this? I thought you loved Wenda.
Do not speak that aloud! I hate her!
Love and hate are two sides of the same coin, Black. You love her more than you hate her.
No one will be able to have her except me. And if she refuses to love me, she will not be able to love anyone. If I can't be with Wenda, no one can.
So you're deleting her? You're pure evil, Black.
Soon it won't matter. She's almost gone, Gray. And I refuse to bring her back.
Then I will.
What?
I'm coming for you, Wenda. I promise.
Feels like a dream, feels like magic. Now I believe I can have it. Ooh, ooh, Tamu. Ooh, ooh, Tamu. All of my wishes came true. Shop like a billionaire. Shop like a billionaire. Ooh, ooh, Tamu. Ooh, ooh, Tamu.
Download the Tamu app and shop like a billionaire.
The deletion zone. So, this is where
What's
everyone...
up, guys? Dimitri Vegas here. My brand new track 2 Times together with Steve Aoki is available now on TikTok, and I can't wait to see all the amazing creations you guys are gonna come up with.
went? Wenda! Keep finding it, Wenda!
Time is almost up.
I think I can make it! Yeah! Minor setback. I can still...
What will our hero do now? Is Garnold worth...
Temu, shop like a billionaire. Download now.
Save it too, or just your precious Wenda?
To get Wenda first!
Take me back!
You got me stuck here, Gray. Get me out!
I helped you first. Take me back.
Get out of my way!
He's doomed.
With us.
I'm sorry! I have to!
Go on, get him! Get him!
billionaire. I'm shopping like a billionaire. I'm shopping like a billionaire.
Wow, what you're seeing right now is a ultra-realistic AI robotic dog, crafted by master engineers in Germany. From its lifelike appearance to its dynamic movements,
Download
it
the
boasts
Temu
an
app and
incredible
shop like a billionaire.
99.9% similarity to a real dog. Powered by advanced AI, this robotic companion learns your commands and adapts to you over time, becoming the perfect companion who truly understands you. No need for dog food, just a quick charge, and it's ready to go.
Take care of him, alright?
% of Subaru Foresters sold in the past 10 years.
I'm fading away.
Still on the road.
I've got you!
Subaru Forester. Love it.
Ray.
There has to be somebody who knows what's happened here. It just doesn't make sense how she vanished into thin air. Someone is hiding something.
Temu, shop like a billionaire.
What the? This can't be possible.
What's up guys, Dimitri Vegas here. My brand new track 2 Times together with Steve Aoki is available now on TikTok and
Funbot!
Gray, why are you putting up these blank pieces of paper?
They're not blank! Don't you see anything on that poster?
Scanning. Unidentified life form discovered. Who is it?
It's Wenda! She disappeared last night!
Wenda.
You know Wenda! Our longtime friend?
Wenda. Scanning database. Sprunky residence. Alphabetical order W. Wenda. White Sprunky.
Yeah, that's her!